Hello and welcome to class. This is part 4 of the How to Make a Conversation series, and today I wanted to talk about work. How to talk about what you do. When someone comes up and asks, "Hey, what do you do? What do you do?" Well, it's a little complicated with prepositions. Depends on whether you're talking about something specific, naming something specific, or something more general, a field or a group of people who do something what you do. So, for example, more specific, I work at the name of the company. At is the preposition there. I work at McDonald's. I work at Amazon, for example. You could say I work for when it's a bigger organization and not a company. For example, I work for the government. I work for the Peace Corps. If it's a more general, like an occupation, you would say I am. I am a social worker. I'm a social worker. I'm a student. Student can be an occupation. Even though you're not paid, I wish you were. I'm a student. Or if you're not working, I'm unemployed. I'm unemployed. You can also name the place that you work instead of the specific job or occupation you have. Like, I work in a hospital, in a place. I work in a hospital. I work in a school. All right. One more big thing we need to talk about is job and work. When we talk about work, we use these two words, but they're very different grammatically. Let me explain with some examples. I have 2 jobs. Job is a noun here. It can be one singular job or plural. I have 2 jobs. With work, it's not the same. I have 2 works is not correct. Work is an uncountable noun. You might also hear it as a mass noun or a non-count noun. It means you never pluralize it. I have so much work to do. I have a lot of work. Not works, just work. I'm looking for a job. You see here, a job, 2 jobs. Job is countable. I job in an office? That's not correct. Job is not a verb. Job is only a noun. It's not a verb, but work is a verb. I work in an office. I work in an office. I start work at 9 a.m. We also use work to describe the time or how we get to work. I get to work by bus. Or you can say I drive to work. Let's do some practice. This is really hard. Is it job or work? This is really hard job. This is really hard work. I can't come because I have to work late. It's a difficult, but I love it. It's a difficult job, but I love it. What time do you finish work? What time do you finish work? I really want to in marketing or business. I really want to work. To is the clue there. That's how you know it's a verb, to work in marketing or business. I have a part-time. The clue is A. I have a part-time job. Do you get to by car or by public transportation? That means bus or train. Do you get to work? Very well done. Great work today, and take care. Bye-bye.